Binary options are one of the most controversial trading instruments. For a reason. See, on the one hand, they're super easy to trade and therefore perfect for beginners. And they're perfect for traders with small accounts because you can open a binary options account with as little as $250. But then on the other hand, there are some binary option brokers out there that are simply a scam. Most of them are overseas, and when you wire money to them, you'll never see it again. So let's take a closer look at binary options and see if they are legit and if you can really make money with binary options. So in this video, you'll learn how binary options work. We'll talk about, can you really make money with binary options? We'll talk about what are the best binary option brokers that are not a scam. Are binary options legit? Is it safe to trade binary options? And what is the best strategy for binary options? So let's get started. So how do binary options work? Well, binary options are super easy to understand because you just need to make a decision if a certain market is above or below a certain price by a certain time. Now, let me give you an example. Let's say you believe that gold will close above $1,700 by the end of the day. So you can place a binary options trade. The price of a binary option will be between $0 and $100. And that's the amount that you need to put on the table to place this bet. So let's say the price of the binary option to bet on gold being above $1,700 by the end of the day is $40. Now, if by the end of the day gold closes above $1,700, you get $100 back. So you put $40 in and you get $100 back, so your profit is $60. Now, if gold closes below $1,700, then you get nothing back. And since the broker took $40 out of your account and you get $0 back, your loss is $40. Now, is this making sense? Because if it does, hit like so that I know that we are going at the right pace. So here's the cool thing. Binary options are available for a wide variety of underlying markets. So they're available for major indices like the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, NASDAQ. They're available for major commodities like crude oil, gold, silver. And they're available for major currencies like the euro versus dollar, the dollar versus the Japanese yen, the British pound versus the US dollar, and they expire daily or even hourly. So if you don't want to wait until the end of the day, you can trade a binary option that expires in the next hour. All you need to do is decide whether a certain market is closing above or below a certain price within the next hours. As you can see, the possibilities are almost endless. So the next question is, can you really make money with binary options? If you trade with a reputable broker, yes. So we'll talk about the best binary option brokers that are not a scam in a few moments, but let's talk about how to make money with binary options first. So here are the 3 things you need to know. Number 1, is the market more likely to go up or down? Number 2, will the market close above or below a certain level? And number 3, what is the maximum price you're willing to bet? Now, I will show you a simple trading strategy for binary options in the next video. But before I show you the strategy, let's first talk about what are the best binary option brokers. You see, there are a lot of fraudulent binary option brokers and scammers out there. And you need to be careful. You see, the only broker that I would ever trust is the North American Derivatives Exchange, also called Nadex. Nadex is 100% legitimate and is designated by the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, also called CFTC, as a designated contract market and derivatives clearing organization. And you see, the CFTC is a US government agency whose mission is to foster open, transparent, competitive, and financially sound markets, to avoid systematic risk, and to protect market users like us and their funds from fraud, manipulation, and abusive practices. Now, I know that's a mouthful for saying Nadex is a 100% legitimate and regulated exchange. And the best, they allow customers like us to open an account directly with them. So you're cutting out the middleman, which means lower commissions for you. Now, talking about commissions, I really like Nadex's commission structure because it's only $1 to open a trade and they only charge you another $1 to close the trade if you're making money. If you lose money, they don't charge you a commission to close the trade. How awesome is that? Long story short, if you want to trade binary options, trade them at Nadex. Now, before we continue, let me ask you, is this helpful thus far? Because if it is, click on like, because this way I know which videos you like the best and I'll make more of them. So if you're enjoying the video, click on like now. Okay, so the next question, are binary options legit? Now, as stated earlier, there are many unregulated brokers who just take the customer's money and never return it. Most of those brokers are operating offshore in countries that have very few or no regulations at all. In the United States, brokers and exchanges are very regulated. And as of the moment, Nadex is one of the few licensed companies in the United States that is allowed to offer binary options trading. Binary options are legal and available to trade in the United States, but only on a CFTC-regulated United States exchange, which, again, is Nadex. In a nutshell, as long as you trade binary options on Nadex, it's legit and legal. Now, this leads us to the next question. Is binary options trading safe? Now, we already talked about the regulations, so we don't need to cover this again. As a trading vehicle, binary options are very safe, since they are not leveraged. This means that you cannot lose more money than you have in your account. Here's an example. If you have $500 in your account and you want to put on a trade in which you risk $50, Nadex will automatically reserve $50 from your funds. Now, when the order is filled, these $50 will automatically be deducted from your account. So your balance is now $450. Now, if you were right, Nadex will give you $100 back as soon as the option expires. In this case, your account balance will jump from $500 to $550, so you made $50. Because of this mechanism, it's impossible for you to lose more money than you have in your account. So as you can see, trading binary options is safe. So next question, what is the best strategy for binary options? Well, the best strategy for binary options is a strategy that makes it easy for you to pick a direction of the market. After all, in order to make money with binary options, you need to know, number one, is the market more likely to go up or down? Number two, will the market close above or below a certain level? And number three, what's the maximum price you're willing to bet? Actually, since this video right now is getting pretty long, I'll stop right here and I'll do another video on a trading strategy for binary options. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because this way you'll get notified whenever I release a new video. So I'll see you in the next video.